Alright drummers, welcome to this full video song lesson. Today I'm going to show you how to play the song Rock and Roll Queen by the Subways, drummed originally by Josh Morgan. And I've written at the top of the chart here that the drums enter at 22 seconds. So we've got a little musical intro and then Josh comes in with the drums, as I say, at 22 seconds. And I've written it for the crash cymbal. Now on the music video, it looks like he's playing like a small ride cymbal. But I think it sounds more like a crash than a ride. Most ride cymbals, when you wash them, sound a little bit too big. This sounds a little bit lighter. It sounds more like a crash cymbal. So I've written it for the crash. If you want to play it and wash it heavy on the ride, you could do that instead. But yeah, I've done it for the crash cymbal. And we come in with the crash and snare drum on beat 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Snare and crash on beat 4, and then we're into our first main groove. And we're playing quarter notes up here on the crash cymbal, snare drum on beats 2 and 4, and the first 2 bars we've got this bass drum pattern. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 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 1. So we've got this space in between the and of 2 and the and of 3. We're not playing a bass drum on beat 3.